The way I think about products in Web3 is that you have to lead with it being a good and interesting product that provides some kind of value, whether it's education or entertainment or whatever. And you can't lead with the fact that it's Web3 because realistically, no one uses an app or a product because of the tech stack. I mean, most people yeah, most people don't. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, this code base is Rust. I'm going to use this platform. It's very interesting to consider, like, how do we create this kind of second unboxing? The first unboxing being the physical product, the second unboxing being, the digital NFT that you're able to mint through the chip on the toy. And we wanted to create this experience that surprised and delighted the people that brought the toy, but also felt very natural and it felt like a continuation of what the product was meant to be.